What's up, everybody? I'm trying to get a move on because it is getting warm. Currently, I am at the Lexington Reservoir, right off of Highway 17, traveling down Old Santa Cruz Highway. This will take you across Summit Road and all the way back up to Highway 17, right at the tip top at the summit. This would be a slow Sunday ride route to Summit Road, which you could take to Old San Jose Road and get to SoCal or back to Santa Cruz if that's your goal. Not too far up here, you'll see Holy City Road. If you take that, it's a very short run back to Highway 17 as well. Holy City was once a cult run by Father William Riker back in 1919, I believe. Once had as many as 30 cult members. This person's driving absorbently slow. Anyways, the Holy City cult practiced, or preached, I should say, celibacy, which Riker did not stick to himself. Surprise, surprise. Also, white supremacy and not drinking alcohol, which personally I find the biggest offense. Kidding. William Riker was also apparently a fortune teller and mind reader. You better believe it. He was ultimately arrested for writing support letters to Hitler. Arrested, I believe, in 1942. Unfortunately, I do not think that there is anything left to see off of Holy City Road. From here we will be running through the ghost town of Patchen. There's a plaque on the side of the road for Old Mountain Charlie. I made a video on that. I'll link in the description. Right across from which is another Christmas tree farm, Patchen Christmas Tree Farm. And the building there may or may not be from the days of the ghost town. I believe it had a post office and a coach stop. And apparently there were quite a few murders over gold, which led to public hangings. There was also an explosion in a railroad tunnel, a natural gas explosion in a railroad tunnel. And lastly, a collapsed mine. So there's quite a bit of history of death around here, I guess. Tragedy. Right here, I believe, is the Christmas Tree Farm. Patchen Christmas Tree Farm. There is the plaque for Mountain Charlie Road right there on the right. Whom built a lot of these roads, as well as fought a grizzly bear and survived. Pretty interesting story there. Again, dissolved after the railroad stopped coming through here, or the train stopped coming through here due to railroad damage. So today I'm on my way. I'm going to cross over Summit Road and make my way back to Highway 17 and get some food and a drink, hopefully, at the Summit House at the top of Highway 17, if it's not too busy. It's Saturday. You could see down there where there was a awful lot of cars on Highway 17 headed up to Santa Cruz. So we'll see what it looks like once we get up to the summit. This here is Summit Road. If you make a left, you'll find the Right Station Winery. This part of Old Santa Cruz Road I don't think is frequented very regularly anymore. As you can see, it's pretty rough. I've never actually been on it in this section. gravel here. Watch out for that. Not a sport bike road. Not too bad on a little supermoto though. Interesting little bridge. Seeming like we must be getting to the top here. There you are. Farm fresh cherries at the top of Old Santa Cruz Road. And now we find out how to get across Highway 17. And 10 minutes later, we are at the Summit House. See if we can find a shady spot.